We are going to solve our parentheses first. 8 plus 5 will give us 13. Then we have 13 minus 5 times 2 to the power of 2. 13 minus 5 is equals to 8. Then we have 8 times 2 to the power of 2. Now we are going to solve our exponents. 2 to the power of 2 will give us 4. Pull down our 4 here. Then we have 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is equals to 32. 32 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work the order of operation. According to the order of operation, we have exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to solve our parentheses because it comes first. Now our parentheses, we have 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 will give us 13. Put down our 13 here. Then we'll bring down our 5 times 2 to the power of 2. Now we have a subtraction, multiplication, and an exponent. We are going to solve our exponents first because it comes first before multiplication and subtraction. Our exponent is 2 to the power of 2, which is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Then we have 13 minus 5 times 4. Now we have a subtraction and a multiplication. We are going to work with our multiplication first because it comes first before subtraction. 5 times 4 will give us 20. Then we have 13 minus 20. 13 minus 20 will give us negative 7. Negative 7 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.